tasteless. A bunch of speed roaches with baneling drops.
Can he do this? Killing blow. Will he knock down the front door? Get inside there.
And here he goes.
That's a lot of roaches.
Oh my god. Don't forget the sea chains can't target those banelings and overlords.
Here they come now.
He's gonna split up his army, go some on the high ground perhaps. No.
Oh my
Going back
god.
in. This is it. Oh my god. The siege tanks targeting not enough baneling. So much damage being dealt. DRG plowing through. Does he have enough roaches left though?
I think he does.
Yes. DRG absolutely crushing the face of MMA. 93 supply to 177.
He's continuing to mass up so many more roaches and banelings back it up. I think we might have a GG moment up here as he just runs inside.